If you would like to learn how to deactivate a Salesforce user in your Salesforce org, stick with me for the next 60 seconds and I'll show you exactly what to do. To deactivate a Salesforce user from your Salesforce org, you'll need to log into Salesforce and enter the setup area. Once you're in setup, click on users and then users. From there, you want to click edit next to the name of the user that you would like to deactivate. In this case, I'm going to deactivate salesperson. So I'll click edit. Once their profile loads, I'm just going to deselect the active box. It'll give me a message informing me the consequences. I will accept that, say OK. Then press save. That user has now been deactivated and the license that was associated with that user is now freed up, and I can associate that to another user or to a new user if I'd like to, and that person will no longer be able to log into Salesforce.